I absolutely love these Hillman Imp wheels, but what a faff they are to fit properly with the original hubcaps. It's all about making sure the wheel is perfectly centralised, which is not as easy as people might think. Four more wheels to go. Hey Mini enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're all well and I hope you're having a great day. Today we're back on the engine. Now I know I said I wasn't going to get too involved in... Oh, it's Paul from Hickey Race Engineering. I wonder what he wants. Hiya Paul, how you doing? Cracking, good to hear from you mate. How is Project Gretel going? I really enjoyed watching that video, it's absolutely fantastic. The wheels, yeah, the wheel nuts just been driving me mad. They work, it's just fiddly and I can't find a solution really. You can help me out? Really? Wow, that'd be amazing. I would forever be in your debt if you can help me out because it's a real pain and it works, but it's a lot of faff. I tell you what mate, I'm in the middle of recording an intro for one of my videos at the moment. Can I call you? Yeah, why not? Say hey Mini enthusiasts, how you doing?
There you are now, classic Mini enthusiasts. Paul Hickey here from Hickey Race Engineering. I came across a video recently of Keith struggling with his nuts. Wheel nuts obviously. We reached out to him with a solution that will hopefully make life a little bit easier. So Keith, send us over those wheel nuts and we'll get your nuts back to you as soon as we can.
Cracking, nice one. Listen, I'll just get this video intro done and then I'll give you a call back. Brilliant, cheers mate, bye. Wow, that is amazing. That was Paul from Hickey Race Engineering and he says he thinks he's got a solution for my wheels. He's watched the video, can see what a faff it is and yeah, I just need to get the wheel nuts to him. So that's brilliant. Let's get that sorted.
Recognisable vehicle, the classic Mini. A car known for its nimble handling, powerful performance, unmistakable appearance. Each has individuality. Recognised the world over for its striking look and elegant design.
Ange,
Yeah.
I need to get this package to Ireland next week. What's the fastest way of getting it there?
Probably airmail.
Airmail?
All it needs is just a little bit of.
Hang on a minute, lads.
Maybe Hoover.
I've got a great idea.
A little bit of the roof.
With a bit of luck and a westerly wind, I reckon we could do this. Can you see my plan yet? What is more lucky than an opal shamrock? Oh, it's a bit bigger than I thought. Aha! Yes! It's got to be done, hasn't it?
You're only supposed to blow the bloody balloon up.
Right, let's do this.
Fly home, my lucky shamrock balloon, back to the Emerald Isle.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun making that. Bit of artistic license, but I can guarantee you, I promise you, the story behind it was 100% genuine. Paul had watched my videos on the Hillman Imp, he'd dropped me a message, got in contact with me and offered to engineer a solution for me, which is very, very kind of him. So often I get asked, people will say to me, how can I support the channel, Keith? Paul's helping me out here. So you can help me out by going and supporting Paul's channel. Now, I wouldn't promote someone else's channel if I didn't think it was any good, but Paul's channel is absolutely brilliant. It's about classic minis, it's very educational, it's quite entertaining as well, and the way Paul talks on camera and the way he comes across is absolutely brilliant. So Paul's channel is Hickey Race Engineering Ireland, and the channel name is HREIRL. I will stick a link down in the description or somewhere, etc, etc. But yeah, if you want to support me, go over to Paul's channel, check it out. hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, go on one of his videos like the Project Gretel one and say Keith sent me here. But I would really appreciate that. It's, you know, Paul's helping me, so I want to help him, and like I say, I think it's a great channel as well. Also wanted to thank again Mini Matt TV. So Matt helped me out earlier on with the wheel nuts by getting the taper machine flat on them so I could get the correct radius taper, and that has kind of been a stepping stone to the point of getting the perfect wheel nut, which I'm sure you'll see in Paul's video. So yeah, just once again, thanks Paul. Please do go and check out his channel. And just before the environmentalists get in the comments down the bottom, I didn't litter the countryside. Watch the outtakes at the end and you'll see what happened to the balloon.